20 business ideas in India. India is a land of opportunities, and starting a business here can be life-changing. Let's explore 20 business ideas, each with a short storytelling example to help you imagine how they can work in real life. And please subscribe to this channel. 1. Cloud Kitchen Online Food Business. Ramesh lost his restaurant job during the pandemic. Instead of giving up, he started cooking biryani from home and listed his business on Swiggy and Zomato. Within 6 months he was making more money than before. 2. Pet Grooming and Training. Sunita turned her love for dogs into a business. She started offering pet grooming at home, and now she has a successful pet spa. 3. Tiffin Service for Professionals. Rajesh noticed many bachelors in his apartment struggling for home-cooked meals. He started a small tiffin service, and within a year he had 200 customers. 4. Handmade Jewelry Business. Mira always loved making jewelry. She started selling on Instagram, and after a viral post, her orders skyrocketed. Now she has her own workshop. 5. Custom T-shirt Printing. Ankit printed a T-shirt with a funny Bollywood meme and wore it to college. His friends loved it and he started taking orders. Today he runs a successful online store. 6. Mobile Repair Business. After his phone broke, Amir realized there were no good repair shops nearby. He took a quick repair course and started a doorstep mobile repair service. 7. Tuition and online coaching. During the lockdown, Shalini began teaching math online. Parents started recommending her, and soon she was earning more than a school teacher. 8. Digital Marketing Services. Varun noticed small businesses struggling with social media. He learned digital marketing, started helping them grow online, and now runs his own agency. 9. Homemade Pickles and Snacks. Asha's grandmother made the best mango pickle. They decided to sell it online, and now their homemade brand is loved across the city. 10. Dropshipping Business. Rahul started a dropshipping business with zero inventory. He sold phone accessories online and scaled his business to 6 figures in a year. 11. Organic Farming and Delivery. Priya, a software engineer, saw her parents struggling to sell organic vegetables. She created a website and started direct delivery to customers. Now she earns twice as much as before. 12. Interior Design Services. Rohan loved designing spaces. He began offering budget-friendly interior makeovers, and his Instagram page attracted big clients. 13. Event Planning and Wedding Services. Sneha planned her sister's wedding and got compliments for her creativity. She turned it into a business, and now she plans big-budget weddings. 14. YouTube Content Creator. Adifir started making videos about financial tips in Hindi. His YouTube channel grew, and now he earns through ads, sponsorships, and courses. 15. Personal Fitness Trainer. Vikram was passionate about fitness. He started posting workout videos on Instagram and soon had clients booking virtual sessions. 16. Car Cleaning and Detailing. Sandeep noticed that luxury car owners wanted premium cleaning services. He started a doorstep car detailing business and now serves celebrities. 17. Subscription Box Business. Nisha loved skincare and curated a monthly beauty box. She marketed it on Instagram and soon beauty lovers subscribed for monthly deliveries. 18. Mobile Photography Business. Aryan clicked a stunning portrait of his friend, and people started asking for paid shoots. He turned his mobile photography hobby into a career. 19. Home Baking Business. Pooja started baking cakes for friends. Word spread and soon she was selling designer cakes for weddings and birthdays. 20. Sustainable Product Business. Anjali wanted to reduce plastic waste, so she started selling bamboo toothbrushes and eco-friendly bags. Now her startup is making a real impact. These 20 business ideas prove that anyone can start something great with the right mindset and passion. Which idea inspired you the most?